Attention, keto rockstars. Craving ribs without wrecking your macros? Buckle up, because we're about to transform humble baby back ribs into a keto masterpiece. These ribs are juicy, tender, and slathered in a sugar-free barbecue sauce that will have you questioning everything you thought you knew about keto-friendly meals. Here's what you'll need. 2 racks baby back ribs, about 3 pounds for the dry rub. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. For the sugar-free barbecue sauce. Half cup ketchup, sugar-free, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, sugar-free, 1 tablespoon erythritol, or other keto sweetener, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. Pinch of black pepper. Gear up for some finger lickin' good prep. Prime time, remove the silver skin from the back of the ribs. This membrane can make it tough to pull the meat off the bone later. Use a paper towel to grip the silver skin and a butter knife to get it started. Peel it slowly and evenly towards the bone. Spice symphony. In a small bowl, combine all the dry rub ingredients. Pat the ribs dry with paper towels and coat them generously with the rub on both sides. Low and slow, preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. Wrap the ribs tightly in aluminum foil and place them on a baking sheet. Let them bake for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the meat starts to become tender. Barbecue bliss. While the ribs bake, whip up your sugar-free barbecue sauce. In a saucepan, combine all the barbecue sauce ingredients and simmer over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the sauce thickens slightly. Glaze and glaze again. Remove the ribs from the oven and carefully unwrap the foil. Increase the oven temperature to broil. Brush the ribs generously with the barbecue sauce and broil for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the sauce becomes caramelized and bubbly. Repeat this process for another layer of glaze, if desired. Rest assured, let the ribs rest for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring maximum flavor and tenderness. These keto baby back ribs are guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser, even for those who aren't following a keto diet. Ready to explore more mouth-watering keto recipes? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to elevate your keto cooking game.